Medical insurance in Kenya.
In Kenya, access to healthcare is evolving rapidly. While the Social Health Insurance Fund SHIF is set to provide universal healthcare coverage starting in 2024, private medical insurance remains a key option for those seeking more comprehensive or tailored healthcare solutions. Private medical insurance in Kenya offers coverage that can complement or go beyond the basic services provided by public healthcare. These policies are offered by insurance companies such as Jubilee, Britam, and Old Mutual, which provide a range of packages designed to meet different needs from basic outpatient services to high-end plans covering complex surgeries and critical illnesses. Let's break down what private medical insurance typically covers. Outpatient services. This includes doctor consultations, lab tests, and prescribed medications. Some plans cover general checkups, minor surgeries, and therapies. Inpatient services. This is for when you need hospitalization. This covers hospital stays, surgeries, ICU admissions, and nursing care. Many providers also cover pre-existing and chronic conditions, although limits apply depending on the package. Maternity cover. A vital benefit for many families. Private insurers offer coverage for prenatal visits, delivery, either normal or cesarean, and postnatal care, making it easier for families to manage costs related to childbirth. Specialized care. High-end packages often include coverage for cancer treatments, kidney dialysis, and critical illnesses such as heart disease. For instance, Jubilee and Old Mutual offer specific packages for conditions like cancer and chronic disease management, including access to specialized hospitals both locally and internationally. One of the key benefits of private insurance is flexibility. Policyholders can choose the hospitals and clinics where they want to receive care, often without the long waiting times associated with public hospitals. For example, plans like Britam's Advantage package grant unrestricted access to top-tier hospitals like Nairobi Hospital, Karen Hospital, and Aga Khan University Hospital. Additionally, private insurance offers global cover. Some premium plans provide coverage not just in Kenya but also in countries like South Africa and India, for cases where specialized treatment may be required. For expatriates and frequent travelers, this is an important benefit. Private insurance policies also come with add-ons like dental and optical cover, wellness programs, and sometimes even fitness club memberships. These additional services aim to promote overall well-being and preventive healthcare. The cost of private insurance in Kenya varies widely depending on the type of cover chosen. For example, Britam's entry-level Essential 2 package costs around $8,127 annually, focusing mainly on outpatient services. Higher-tier packages, such as Advantage, can cost upwards of $17,332 per year and provide a more comprehensive range of services, including chronic illness management and specialist care. Choosing a private medical insurance plan requires careful consideration of your needs and financial capacity. While SHIF will offer broad basic coverage, private insurance provides the flexibility and depth that many families, individuals, and businesses might need. In this era, the choice is clearer than ever. Kenya's medical insurance landscape offers a wide variety of options to secure your health and that of your loved ones. For more insights into choosing the best medical insurance plan, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video for more informative content.